After walking among the iconic black acacias of Deadvlei, we set off again through spectacular landscapes to reach another jewel of the Sossusvlei area, the majestic Dune 45. The route itself is a journey into the most authentic beauty of the desert. As we advance, the dunes become more and more imposing, waves of sand that rise elegantly against the clear sky, drawing sinuous and perfect profiles. Each dune is a unique work of art. Some boast a name that tells a story, while most are simply identified by a number that indicates the kilometers from the entrance to the Sossusvlei Park. Dune 45, with its fine red sand, is one of the most photographed and loved, not only for its beauty, but also for the accessibility that allows you to climb it. The climb is inevitably tiring after an intense day like ours. Your feet sink into the very fine sand that tends to give way at every step, and walking along the ridge requires attention. The wind brushes our faces, bringing with it the dry smell of the desert and a deep sense of freedom. Every step towards the summit is a small conquest, a moment of intimate connection with this ancient place. And then, finally, the summit. Getting there is a great satisfaction. From up here, the view is absolutely spectacular. This is one of those places where you experience a unique sensation, that of being surrounded by the force of nature. We remain there on the crest of the dune, immersed in an almost sacred silence, while our gaze wanders freely in that infinity. But the moment to descend arrives, and we do it as we do as children, running along the steep side of the dune, with the sand rising around us and laughter exploding spontaneously. It is pure joy, the genuine and light one that comes from adventure and freedom.